You're now tuned into Fast Money Marion, where we talk about money, mindset, discipline, and how to level up your life. Let's get into it. If I had to start over at 19 with no money, this is exactly what I would do. Most young people are not lazy. They are overwhelmed and distracted.
What are the key challenges facing businesses today?
There's
Adaptability
too much
and
advice
innovation
online,
are crucial in
and
this
it
market.
confuses people.
Our strategy focuses on innovation, growth, and sustainability.
The first thing I would do is remove distractions.
Open your phone's settings and select notifications. Now, tap the switch to turn off notifications. Notifications are
I
now
would
off.
stop wasting
Taps
time
it to
scrolling
return.
social media. At 19,
First, exercise
you
3
only
times a
need
week.
one valuable skill.
Second, read 1 book each month. And third, learn a new language.
I would learn a digital skill that businesses pay for. Skills like editing and content creation are powerful.
Okay, let's import these clips into the timeline. Now I'll add a smooth dissolve transition. Perfect. Now let's render the final video.
I would
And
practice
it's done.
every single
Looking
day.
good.
Success takes
Okay,
time
just a
and
bit
patience.
more to wrap this up. Next, email the team about the updates. Almost done, just need to review this.
One focused year can change your entire future.
Welcome to this free tutorial. Let's start with the basic HTML structure. Okay, basic structure. Now, inside the body tags, let's add a heading.
I would use free
Got it,
resources
heading
to
inside
learn
body.
quickly. Watching videos is not enough. Practice matters most. Repetition builds real skill. I would create a strict daily routine.
Time to get moving.
Discipline is more important than motivation.
Nothing beats fresh coffee.
I would start freelancing immediately.
Hi, yes, making good progress. I'll share a preview by EOD. Sounds good, thanks. You're
Many
welcome. Have a
businesses
great
need
day.
help getting attention online.
Thanks for coming in. But our social media is a ghost town. I found you by chance.
If you
not
help
online.
businesses grow online, they
I
will
need
pay
to fix
you.
that.
First, let's add a professional profile picture. Next, write a clear bio that tells your story. Finally, preview your page to
I
see
would
the
not wait
improvements.
until I felt
And you're
perfect.
ready to grow.
Making
Okay,
your first
finalizing
dollar
the proposal
online
for the
changes
client.
everything.
Attaching the documents now. And send. Proposal sent successfully. Next client.
That first payment builds confidence. I would also start creating content online.
Hey everyone, I just checked my latest videos. The views are super low. This one only has 12, and this one has 5. It's a bit frustrating,
Even if
but I'm not
nobody
giving
watched
up.
it
I'll
first,
keep creating.
I would keep
Thanks for
posting.
watching.
Consistency always wins online.
Welcome to Tech Reviews, where we test the latest gadgets.
Hey everyone, let's create a natural beauty look.
Game on, we're diving into the new update box.
You do not
Today,
need
we're making a
millions of
simple,
followers to make
delicious
money.
pasta.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm tracking my progress. Here's the update. We're at
People trust
65%
authentic
now.
journeys.
I'm excited about the progress. Thanks for following along.
I would avoid
Hey everyone,
fake
welcome to
get
my
rich
world of
quick
luxury.
schemes.
Drive this Lamborghini with my proven system. I made my first million in just months. DM me now before spots fill up.
Most shortcuts online are distractions. I would protect my health and energy. Your body affects your productivity.
This green smoothie gives me the energy I need.
Learning to focus is a superpower. Most success happens behind the scenes. I would learn how to use AI tools early.
Our AI assistant suggests this factorial code. Let's add it to our editor. The AI also suggests error handling for negatives.
AI makes productive
We'll accept
people
that.
even
Now,
faster.
let's test it. Hey everyone, today I'm using this AI tool to brainstorm content. I'll just type in my idea and hit generate. And just like that, I have a bunch of awesome
The future
ideas.
belongs to
This
people
is
who
a
adapt.
game changer.
I would stop trying
This
to look
jacket
rich.
is amazing. And these sneakers, I have to try them on. I'm definitely getting these.
To succeed, you need to invest. That means money into courses and equipment. Like these courses, they give you the knowledge to grow. It boosts your productivity.
I would
Invest
invest in
smart.
myself
Watch your
instead.
returns multiply.
Knowledge compounds over time.
Hi, I'm Priya. I run a tech startup.
Alex, I'm in fintech. What challenges do you face?
User acquisition stuff. How about you?
I'm
I
Jordan.
would
Marketing
build
is my
strong
challenge.
relationships.
We should connect. Let's discuss the project timeline.
Agreed. I've shared the Gantt chart.
Looks good. Any concerns?
One connection
Just the testing
can change
phase.
your life.
We can extend it. What?
Okay, team, let's nail this pitch.
Agreed. We need to show our user growth.
I'll get the analytics. It'll be impactful.
Perfect. Let's add the market
Your environment
analysis.
shapes your
Yes,
future.
this is going to be great.
Most people stay average because comfort feels safe.
Scrolling endlessly on this couch again. Oh, another cute dog video.
Scrolling
This
is
is endless.
easier than creating.
The key is to start taking
But
action right
changes
now.
lives.
I'll sketch the concept first to get the ideas flowing. Now to bring it to life digitally. This is where the magic happens.
This is tough, but I can do it. Just keep going.
Every successful
Almost
person
there.
was once inexperienced.
I won't quit now.
They succeeded because they kept going.
This is our strategic roadmap. We start with a solid foundation, market research, team
My
assembly,
strategy
and
will
prototype
stay
development.
simple.
Next is growth, launching the product, a marketing campaign through expansion and optimization. Learning a new skill takes time and practice. Each repetition builds your technique and confidence.
Step 1.
With dedication, you
master one
progress and
skill
achieve
deeply.
mastery. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement.
I just landed
Step
my
2.
first client.
Start
Here's how I
making
did
money
it.
with it.
First, I crafted a detailed proposal on my laptop.
That sounds perfect. When can you start?
I sent the agreement, and just like that, my first client.
The key to online success, posting consistently. Let's schedule some posts right now. Set a realistic schedule and stick to
Step
it.
3.
Consistency will build your
Document journey
audience.
online.
Start today.
AI seamlessly integrates into the workflow, analyzing tasks in real time. The dashboard reflects optimizations, saving valuable time and
Step
resources.
4.
This is
Use
AI,
AI to
improving
work
workflow.
Step 5. Reinvest your money wisely.
This graph shows the power of compound growth. Starting from an initial investment, the value grows slowly at first. But over time, the returns begin to
Growth
accelerate,
starts low
creating it
and
exponentially over the
compounds.
long term.
Success
Another late night,
is emotionally
but I have to
difficult
keep pushing.
sometimes.
Just a little more. Almost there.
You will fail many times before succeeding.
Starting this company was tough. There were sleepless nights and moments I wanted to quit. But looking back, every setback taught me resilience.
One day,
Now,
you will
embrace your
realize how
journey.
far you
The
came.
future is yours.
If you are 19 right now, you are not behind. You have massive opportunities in today's world. learn skills, stay disciplined, and your life can completely change. This is Fast Money Marion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, stay consistent, and remember, your current situation does not define your future. I'll see you in the next one.